Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell notification button.
Hello everybody, this is the third and the last video of DI table. In this video, we are focusing on strategy 3. Stop at the row gives original function. If you haven't watched my previous video of strategy 1 and 2, you may see the description box down there for details. Here is our example 1. As usual, we write down the D and I, and then we write down some positive and negative. Maybe enough, maybe not, we will see how. Let's choose a cos for D or sine for D. In this case, it will not impact the answer, it will be the same. For me, here I choose a cos X for D, and then sin X for I. Now, derivative of cos X is negative sin X, while integral of sin X is negative cos X. Now we can stop. As you can see, in this row, you have a negative sin X multiply negative cos X, which is still the same pattern as a cos X multiply sin X of the question itself. So we stop here. So we don't need the plus here. Okay. And the answer can be found by the here multiply, and then here multiply with the integral. So therefore the question cos X sin X dx is actually equals to positive cos X multiply negative cos X become negative cos square X. Here we have 3 negative, 1, 2, and 3. So 3 negative multiply still negative. Integral of sin X cos X dx. Let's move this part to the left hand side so that we have 2 multiply integral of cos X sin X dx equals to negative cos power 2x. The final answer for this example is integral cos X sin X dx is negative 1 over 2 cos power 2x plus a constant c. As usual, we start with the D and I, plus minus sign. Some of them may be enough, maybe not, we will see. Again, you need to choose one for D and one for I. Honestly, the answer are going to be the same, but for simplicity, I used to choose sine 3x for the D and then e power negative 2x for the I. Derivative of sine 3x become positive 3 cos 3x, while integral of e power negative 2x is negative 1 over 2 e power negative 2x. So continue. Derivative of 3 cos 3x become negative 9 sin 3x, while the integral of here will be negative multiply negative become positive 1 over 4 e power negative 2x. So here is the good news. You have a exponential negative 2x, and then you have a sine 3x, which is repeating the question given. So we're going to stop here. Oh, this is the original question. E power negative 2x multiply sine 3x dx equals to, the first one is the diagonal here multiply, which is negative 1 over 2 e power negative 2x multiply sine 3x. Second terms will be this one is a negative 3 over 4 e power negative 2x cos 3x. The third one is here, but with the integration sign, which is there is a plus here, negative minus here, which means negative integral 9 over 4 e power negative 2x sine 3x dx. So we will move this part to the left hand side so that it become positive and factor. So now we have here, we have a 9 over 4 plus 1 multiply integral of e negative 2x sine 3x dx equals to negative 1 over 2 e negative 2x sine 3x minus 3 over 4 e negative 2x cos 3x. The 9 over 4 plus 1 is actually 9 over 4 plus 4 over 4. For simplicity, I will just write here plus 4 over 4, which is 13 over 4. So for simplicity, I just write here 13 over 4. Let's bring the 13 over 4 to the right hand side, become multiply 4 over 13, and therefore we have the final answer. Integral e negative 2x sine 3x dx is negative 2 over 13 e negative 2x sine 3x minus 3 over 13 e power negative 2x cos 3x. Don't forget to plus a constant c. Therefore, this is the final answer of example 2. We have concluded strategy 1, 2 and 3 of DI table. In future, we will just use DI table to replace the conventional integration by parts.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button